how to stream on Facebook and YouTube using OBS at the same time. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can set up multiple streaming on both Facebook and YouTube at the same time using OBS Studio. Now the process itself is simple. However, first you'll need to go ahead and download the plugin for OBS Studio. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your browser and you want to type in OBS multi-screen plugin, multi-stream plugin, sorry, and then you can tap on it and you can go ahead and you can download it. So once here, you can simply go ahead and go to downloads, and then you can tap on it and then you can go ahead and start downloading it. So if you scroll down below, you should be able to find it. Then you can go ahead and open it up and then click on install, and you're gonna go ahead and install it. So you can see it's installed. You want to close it. Now here, what you want to download is the zip file, the OBS multi Windows zip. Here you want to click on it and you want to download it. I've already downloaded it. Once you download it, you want to open it up. What you want to do is you want to just go ahead and you want to copy this. Now this works, so you want to head into your C drive. Under C drive here, you want to head over to your OBS Studio file. So you can simply go ahead and you can paste it here, what you copied. You can simply do this for all formats, and you can continue it and it will copy it right here. Now once you copy it, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up OBS Studio, and once you open it up, you want to head into docs option here at the top left, and then you want to head into multiple outputs option, and you can simply click on add new target option here. Before doing this, you'll have to set up a normal streaming on your OBS. So like here, you want to head over to settings, and under settings you want to head to stream, and then you want to select the Facebook Live option, and you'll have to get this stream key, right? So in order to get this stream key, you want to head over and log into your Facebook account first. So you want to head over to Facebook, head over to live video, and now you want to simply click on go live option, and once under stream setup, you want to select streaming software, and you can see the stream key. You want to copy it and you want to head over to OBS Studio, and then here you want to click on it and you want to simply go ahead and apply it, and then okay. Now once you have done so, next what you want to do is, so now you want to go ahead and add new target, and then here you want to enter in your target name. You can type in YouTube here, since it's going to be on YouTube. You have already set it up for Facebook. You want to get the URL and you want to get the stream key. You can head over to your YouTube content studio. So you want to head over to YouTube creators content, and then here you want to go ahead and tap on create and go live option here, and simply go ahead and save the settings. Now I'll just cancel it. But once you have done so, you want to get this stream key, the URL, and you can see the URL here, and you can see stream key. You want to copy it, and once you copy it, you want to go ahead and you want to paste it up here, and then save the settings and okay, and then you can go ahead and start streaming both on Facebook and YouTube at once. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.